birds that fill the world's skies today are living dinosaurs, reminders of a distant and strange past. Decades of major new discoveries and studies have convinced researchers that there is a direct link between modern bird species and theropod dinosaurs. Once dinosaurs were thought of as scaled-up lizards, but now they are regarded very differently. Our image of dinosaurs is now quite different from that put forward by the first paleontologists working on these animals. It began in the 1960s with the revolutionary discovery of Deinonychus, a small predatory dinosaur that lived about 115 million years ago. Deinonychus was a theropod, one of a group of bipedal, carnivorous dinosaurs that also included Tyrannosaurus rex. It not only showed unique similarities to birds, but also appeared to be an intelligent, fast-moving pack hunter, rather than a slow-plodding reptile. New work on old specimens, and the discoveries of dinosaur and early bird species in the field, supported the idea that dinosaurs were the direct ancestors of birds. Many features and behaviors that characterize living birds were also found in their dinosaur ancestors. Perhaps most surprising of all was the discovery of dinosaurs with feathers, completely changing the scientific community's perception of their appearance and behavior. The discovery that Deinonychus had feathers helped to transform the way paleontologists think about dinosaurs. Our image of dinosaurs has moved a long way from the 1950s picture of lethargic scaly lizards to one that is much more dynamic and exciting. Our knowledge of these creatures is constantly changing as new fossils are unearthed. Scientists now know that dinosaurs evolved bird-like characteristics long before the appearance of Archaeopteryx, the late Jurassic fossil usually thought to be the earliest bird. The gradual evolutionary change, from fast-running, ground-dwelling bipedal theropods to small, winged flying birds, probably started about 160 million years ago. The strength of the hypothesis that birds evolved within Moniraptor and theropod dinosaurs is manifested by the convergent results of a diversity of studies within a multitude of scientific disciplines. Today, the theropod origin of birds is supported by a wealth of evidence ranging from skeletal anatomy to molecular data. This evolutionary conclusion indicates that the diverse modern birds are a branch of a much larger avian tree that diverged during the Mesozoic era, and that in turn, all these birds are but a shoot of the majestic tree of dinosaurs. This evidence has led to the realization that the jays, finches, and hummingbirds that so peacefully frequent your backyard are indeed living dinosaurs, a surviving lineage of vicious predators that ruled the terrestrial ecosystems of the Mesozoic era.